Welcome back, everybody, to another wonderful Triple S Productions. And, something that I've been really excited about doing with the channel is highlighting local businesses and local people who are really just making their food from the heart. And yeah, that's, something that I'm very passionate about. It's something that I've been wanting to support here. So today, I have Marina from Sugar and Spice and Everything Nice. And she's going to show us some of her stuff that she makes.
Brazilian pudding, so called just pudim. It's really traditional in Brazil. It's like all the houses pretty much on the weekends we have this kind of dessert, especially like during Christmas or whoever special occasions we have there. So it's really famous. You can find many restaurants like Brazilian barbecues or any other kind of restaurant. So it's a really traditional food, and that it's something that reminds a little bit my childhood. Then I remember my grandmother cooking or baking this pudding, and everybody sharing and eating, having this connection with family and friends, which was really nice. So that reminds me of then a little bit. Yeah,
so I totally agree. That's one of my favorite things about food is its ability to bring people together and allow you to share, your own culture with people who maybe haven't tried it before, but also bring back memories of the past and, really help to connect to that. So that's something that I think is absolutely wonderful and amazing about food, and I love highlighting on this channel. And one more thing, so this is a dessert that we're making here,
Yes,
right?
it is a dessert.
Yes, and I guess you want to give, I don't think we're going to get exactly into how to make it and everything. We're going to do a bit of an unboxing here, and I'm going to try some of it out for the first time. But you want to give just a real quick maybe walkthrough about how you would go about making this?
Oh yes, sure. It's handmade. That it's really well dessert made, and then takes a little bit longer to prepare. So the ingredients basically is eggs, condensed milk, cream milk, and milk. So you mix it together and you have caramel sauce in the bottom. Once you flip it over and you do the unmold, you're gonna see the caramel sauce on top, which is really good. And nowadays people are doing more like kind of gourmet, I would say. So they are trying different flavors, different sauces too. So now in our menu we have white chocolate pudding with mixed berries sauce on top, which is really good as well. We have the chocolate one pudding, and we have the traditional one, and we are trying now new flavors, which is gonna come over soon. The coconut, cream coconut too. And yeah, people are doing with Nutella. You can kind of use your creativity and your imagination to make any flavors as you want. So it's really nice. But the popular one is the traditional one, of course. That is the most popular. So it's kind of based with milk and eggs. It's kind of looks like a little bit flan.
Yeah, okay, yeah. And I'm sure you've got to have some kind of, chemical X, trade secret thing that you've got going on there that make yours stand out. We're not gonna divulge any company secrets today, but I'm sure there's more than just sugar and spice.
Oh, yes.
Yes. Lots of love. Handmade. You hand make them to order, I believe.
Oh,
correct?
Yes. Because it takes like around 2 hours in the oven with low temperature, and then you have to wait to cool down, and then has a minimum refrigeration time that you have to keep in the fridge for a while until get the firmness and all the creaminess as well on the pudding.
That's how you know it's made with love and care and high quality. So, and this package also, I don't know if you're seeing this here, but look at this, absolutely beautiful. I'm gonna break into it real quick. This is gonna be exactly like the customer experience that you would have if you go and order from. How do we find Sugar and Spice? Where are you guys at? What's the best place to find?
Yeah, we have the Instagram called Sugar Spice 231, so you can find us out there.
Perfect. And that's where you get the orders from?
Oh,
so
yes.
You send it in and everything?
You have a link on our bio on Instagram. So the link, once you click on the link, you're gonna go through the WhatsApp, my phone number. Then you can order from there.
Perfect. Wow, look at that. said, made with love and care. Phenomenal. I love the packaging. It's so nice. And working through the online, retailers these days is a great way to get started. You make it all out from here?
Oh, yes.
Just from right where we are right now, coming from an undisclosed location somewhere in Copeland. But if you live in the Lower Mainland and you're looking for some good Pudim?
Pudding.
Pudding?
Yes.
Pudding.
Yes.
This is where it is. So what we have here is, you said, the traditional one, correct?
Oh, yes.
Cool. So how do we want to cut into this?
Just this over.
Pops open.
Yeah, and now we are gonna mold.
Oh, it comes in the mold here.
Yes.
Right?
Yes.
Nice.
And then to get it this sauce on top and everything else, we have to unmold, which is just trying like really carefully here with this spatula.
But that's got to be nice because, like you said, it could come fresh out. It comes in this mold. You have it fresh made, and then you can just eat it straight out.
Yes.
Nice. And I think we touched base on this like a little bit before, but what got you into wanting to do this, wanting to make this a business? Like where was your inspiration from?
I would say like pretty much my family, they love cooking, and I've been cooking since I was a kid. So I've been like close by my grandparents and my mom, and then I was learning on the feeling, just watching them how to cook and everything, and that became my passion. So I want to spread it out, the love that I have with the food, and I think like food, it's always brings connection and bring good memories from your childhood or your family or background and everything else. So that I decided to make this own. And since like we have a lot of Brazilians small business running over all Vancouver, I noticed that we don't have that special dessert over here, and I figured it out as something that people love. All Brazilians love this kind of stuff, and that it's similar with other cultures as well. We can see like caramel flan from like Japan, and Chinese people, they love too as well. So yeah, that turns out, why not try and make that as a business, right? So yeah.
Definitely, and there is a very thriving Brazilian community here, so it's awesome to see. I love this, but yeah, let's get into the big reveal.
Let's get it. So we are gonna get the plate, flip it over.
Ooh, that was beautiful. That was way better executed than I would have been able to do that.
Let's see.
Drum roll. Wow. We're seeing this, right? Wow, that's phenomenal. Look at that. And that's the caramel sauce you're talking about. And this is the most traditional way. And you said what other?
The others are white chocolate with mixed berries sauce. The other is chocolate. And then coming over the coconut flavor.
You're gonna have to let me know when that one comes out, because I'm a big coconut fan. I'll definitely have to try that one too. Yeah, let's cut us off some chunks.
Let's see how creamy it is here.
It's like butter. I'm just stunned right now. Yeah, because it does kind of have like that flan kind of a texture, like you were saying. Take a piece here. My first time. Bon appetit. Cheers. Oh wow. Oh wow. That's amazing. That is not the flavor I was expecting, but that's really good. Wow. Wow. That's phenomenal. Trying to find the word that I'm looking for. It is almost like a cheesecake, kind of. Not really, but like it has some... I think it's the caramel that's giving it some extra flavor in there for me, but man, that's really good.
And it's really creamy.
I've got nothing else, I'm just gonna...
And the way that takes longer in the oven, it's because like we don't use gelatin or cornstarch.
Okay.
Yeah, so it's just based eggs, milk, and condensed milk and cream milk. So that's why it takes longer to
be able to settle
to be able
everything.
to settle everything. Yes.
All right. Wow. that. This is, I mean, I could eat this whole thing right now. Wow. That's amazing. It has like a creamier, I think, consistency than I was maybe expecting, and I like that more. Because again, I don't dislike Jell-O, but it's not like the biggest thing. And from the look of it, that's kind of what I thought we were gonna get of Jell-O mold. But I really like that consistency, and the caramel topping that's just absolutely, that gets a 10 out of 10 for me. Holy hair. And yes, you guys, please, if you're in the greater Vancouver area, check them out. Again, where can you find you? Order off of WhatsApp, you said?
Yes, WhatsApp, Instagram, Sugar Spice 231.
We'll have all of that down in the description, all the links, all of that, you can find it. Speaking of which, do not forget to subscribe to our channel. Go follow them on their Instagrams. Go follow us on all of our Instagrams. We'll have much more coverage. I'm sure we'll do many more videos in the future, because this was an absolute great time. And I really, really love trying this out. Really love supporting local businesses, local entrepreneurs, trying to bring their food to Vancouver and, just sharing what they love. And that's awesome. So I hope you guys enjoy this. Let me know if there's any other places you guys want to see us do similar videos like this. See any other tests or tryouts. If you are a local business who wants to get on here, you know where to find me. But I guess otherwise, have a great time, y'all. Peace out.